With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, under low pressure, minimum deviation from the ideal gas behavior is expected from, right? So, in the low pressure region, if you have to understand the concept of minimum deviation, then we will compare it using the van der Waals constant A. Now, the van der Waals constant A depends upon the intermolecular forces of attraction, right? The van der Waals constant A depends upon the intermolecular forces of attraction. So, basically, more is the value of A, more is the deviation from the ideal behavior, right? So, according to the ideal behavior, no forces of attraction exist between the molecules because they're far apart from each other. But in reality, attraction forces exist. So, more is the attraction, more is the value of A, and more will be the deviation from the ideal behavior, right? So, the values of A will be compared on the basis of forces of attraction between the molecules. So, if we talk about ammonia, now ammonia has the maximum value of A in this case because of the hydrogen bonding, right? It consists of hydrogen bonding and very strong interactive forces of attraction, right? Very strong interactive forces of attraction, and therefore it has the maximum value of A. It is going to show the maximum deviation from the ideal gas behavior, right? Because hydrogen bonding exists between the molecule of ammonia, right? Hydrogen bonding exists because of the hydrogen and nitrogen bond here, and it is a very strongly bonded molecule. So this is going to have maximum deviation. Talking about SO2, now if we talk about SO2, and similarly if we talk about CO2, in both the cases, the net dipole moment is going to be zero, right? The net dipole moment is going to be zero, but there is going to be some kind of an attractive force, right? There will be some kind of an attractive force between C and O and between S and O, a very feeble, but there will be an attractive force. But if we talk about N2 molecule, then in the N2 molecule, as the same atoms are attached here, there will be more repulsions here, right? There will be more repulsions here, and also the molecule is smaller in size and is going to have less van der Waals forces of attraction, and therefore is going to show minimum deviation from the ideal behavior. So the correct answer for this question is going to be option 3. So this value of A depends upon the forces of attraction, the van der Waals forces of attraction, which in turn depends upon the size, which in turn depends upon the attractive forces between the molecules, right? How strong and how weak they are. But if we talk about N2 molecule, then same atoms are joined together, so there will be repulsions rather than attractions. Therefore, it is going to have a minimum value of A and therefore a minimum deviation from the ideal behavior. And the correct answer is option 3. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.